Hey, if you wonder how to perform the hard reset of your Xiaomi Watch 2, let me quickly show you. So all you have to do is just to grab your watch, then click on this side button. Now from this, you will have to actually scroll down until you locate settings. Then from this, scroll down one more time and go into the system settings. Right now, you will have to go into this option, disconnect and reset, and click to erase all data. Now just wait for this reset process. After this, you will be you will be welcome with this first setup screen with the new language and the QR code to download application. Now you can also go into the Mi Fitness application, go into the device. As you can see, the Watch 2 still appears. So I can recommend you to scroll down and select Unpair. Then click to continue. Now just wait. And now it is actually finished. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.